Hey there, retirement enthusiasts. Ever wondered how to make your golden years truly shine? Well, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into 5 hobbies that make retirement exciting. And trust me, these aren't your average pastimes. Forget about sitting in a rocking chair all day. We're talking about activities that'll have you jumping out of bed each morning. Ready to discover how to turn retirement into the adventure of a lifetime? Let's get started. First up, we have photography. A hobby that lets you capture the beauty of life. Imagine freezing moments in time, creating lasting memories with just a click. You don't need fancy equipment to start. Your smartphone can do wonders. Begin by taking pictures of your surroundings, family, or even your morning coffee. As you progress, you might want to invest in a good camera and learn about composition and lighting. Join local photography clubs or online communities to share your work and get feedback. Who knows, you might even sell your photos or have your own exhibition one day. Next on our list is gardening, a hobby that connects you with nature. There's something magical about nurturing plants and watching them grow. Start small with a few potted plants or herbs on your windowsill. As you gain confidence, you can expand to a full-fledged vegetable garden or a colourful flower bed. Gardening is not just about plants, it's great exercise and a stress buster too. You'll learn about different plant species, soil types, and even local wildlife. Plus, there's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown tomatoes or the sight of blooming flowers you've raised yourself. Our third exciting hobby is learning a language, because wisdom grows and so can new skills. Picking up a new language keeps your mind sharp and opens up a whole new world. Choose a language that interests you, maybe one from a country you'd like to visit. Start with language learning apps or online courses. Many are free and designed for beginners. Practice regularly, even if it's just for 15 minutes a day. Watch movies or TV shows in that language with subtitles to improve your listening skills. Find a language exchange partner online to practice speaking. It's fun, and you might make a new friend. Fourth on our list is volunteering, because retirement is the perfect time to give back. There are countless ways to volunteer, so you're sure to find something that fits your interests. You could help at a local animal shelter, tutor children, or assist at a food bank. Volunteering not only helps others but also gives you a sense of purpose and fulfillment. It's a great way to meet new people and stay connected with your community. Start by researching local organizations or checking with your local council for volunteering opportunities. Remember, even a few hours a week can make a big difference. Last but not least, we have travel, because retirement is the perfect time to explore the world. You don't need to go far or spend a lot. Even short trips to nearby towns can be adventures. Start by making a bucket list of places you've always wanted to visit. Look for off-season deals or senior discounts to make travel more affordable. Consider slow travel, staying in one place for longer to really soak in the culture. Join group tours to meet fellow travelers and make new friends. Document your travels through photos, journals, or even a blog to share with family and friends. Remember, travel is not just about the destination, but the journey and experiences along the way. So there you have it. 5 hobbies that can turn your retirement into an exciting new chapter of life. Whether you're capturing moments through a lens, nurturing plants, learning a new language, giving back to your community, or exploring the world, there's no shortage of ways to keep life interesting. Remember, the best time to start something new is now. Which of these hobbies caught your interest? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more retirement tips and tricks. Until next time, here's to making retirement the best time of your life.